Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Yellow Cub Pizza franchise business package ideas. Yellow Cub Pizza opened its first branch in the heart of Makati Avenue in April 2001 with a very specific mission to bring a taste of the Big Apple's New York to the Filipino people. For nearly 2 decades, the renowned brand that is popular for its oversized and delicious 18-inch New York-style pizzas, as well as its spirit of ambition that is inspired by the electric atmosphere of the city, continues to stay on top of trends and positively adapt to the ever-changing requirements and desires of their customers. With an ever-growing network of branches that currently stands at more than 150 locations nationwide, Yellow Cub has become a household name and a true staple among Filipinos. Most notably for those who enjoy its delicious pizzas. The branch is also working hard to expand its reach even further by expediting its global expansion with the aim of delivering their classic pizza flavors to more overseas Filipinos and gaining new fans from all corners of the globe. Yellow Cub Parent Company. Yellow Cub is one of the brands owned by Max's Group Incorporated, the biggest casual dining restaurant company in the Philippines. Along with it are Max Restaurant, Pancake House, Krispy Kreme, Jamba Juice, Teriyaki Boy, Sizzling Steak, and Densios. Yellow Cub Products. Back in 2001, the pizza restaurant giant opened its very first branch in Makati Avenue. Its sole mission was to share a slice of New York to the Filipino people. Since then, Yellow Cub pizzas have become iconic and loved by many because of their loaded toppings, premium ingredients, and authentic New York-style texture and taste. The company's tagline, "We Fuel the Hungry," is a testament to its commitment, innovation, and drive to serve only the tastiest New York-style pizzas, pasta, and chicken for every hungry Filipino. For the franchise package, Yellow Cub offers 2 types of franchise packages with different required capitals. The mall-based franchise package is worth 10 million pesos to 12 million pesos, while the standalone franchise package is worth 12 million to 15 million pesos. The investment cost is dependent on the floor area and location. Example, fees differ in the provincial areas, Greater Manila area, and Metro Manila. For the franchise terms and ROI, the franchising term is valid for 10 years and renewable for another 5 years upon mutual agreement of both parties. In terms of return on investment, Yellow Cub explains that the several factors determines the ROI, such as managing projected sales through marketing and promotions, as well as the ability of the franchisee to manage the store's operating expenses. For the franchise package inclusions, part of the fee paid as franchise investment are the products to be served in the franchise store, including formulated ingredients and supplies. The franchisee may use designated suppliers approved by Yellow Cub. An initial training program will also be provided to the franchisee, management team, and staffs. The training fee is already included in the initial investment cost paid to the franchisor Max's Group. As part of continuing services, Yellow Cub will conduct periodic visits aside from national-level promotions and advertising. The area managers who also serve as franchise coaches are assigned to check on operations and ensure implementation on Yellow Cub systems and standards. Yellow Cub promises to support the franchisee in each step of the way, from site evaluation, recruitment, training, management, and development strategies in market entry, After the store launch and opening, the franchisee will continually be assisted in the management and operations according to Yellow Cub. For the franchising procedure, how to apply for a Yellow Cub restaurant franchise? Number 1. Fill out the Yellow Cub franchise application form. You may download a copy of the application form in the Yellow Cub website. Number 2. Email the completed application form and letter of intent to the contact details. It must be completely filled up for easy processing and evaluation. Include a proposed site location, area development plan, and map. Number 3. Yellow Cub will contact the franchise applicant to discuss the franchisee's interest and business plans. Number 4. Upon passing the preliminary evaluation, the franchise will meet with Yellow Cub to discuss concerns, provisions, and terms of the Yellow Cub franchise agreement. Number 5. The franchise will then be awarded and the Yellow Cub franchise contract is executed with the franchisee. For the store space and location, Yellow Cub requires its mall-based store to cover 100 square meters to 150 square meters. Meanwhile, the standalone store's lot area must be 600 square meters to 800 square meters. Usually, the franchise applicant proposes the store location subject to their site assessment, analysis, and approval. However, the company may also match sites for the approved franchise applicant, as stated in Yellow Cub's official website. Franchise stores will be built based on the standard store design and layout provided by Yellow Cub. For the franchisee qualifications, you will be qualified to become a Yellow Cub franchisee if you are experienced in food and retail business, financially capable, someone who has good network in the trade area of the proposed store, and dedicated and possesses the infrastructure to manage the store. A corporation may apply for franchising, but the Maxis Group requires the majority shareholder to be the representative of the franchisee. Enthusiasm for pizza. There are pizza restaurants almost everywhere you go, but if you have the love, passion, and innovative drive to succeed in the pizza restaurant industry, you're a perfect fit for Yellow Cub. With ingredients that fit perfectly together, Yellow Cub Pizza Company serves products that people from all generations keep coming back to. No matter what the occasion is, pizza, pasta, and other stuff will always be a good idea, Yellow Cub says on its website. For the contact details, you may contact Business Development and Franchising, Yellow Cub Food under the Maxis Group Incorporated with the address 3rd floor KDC Plaza, 2212 Chino Roses Avenue, Barangay Pio del Pilar, Makati City, Metro Manila, Philippines. You can contact telephone number 632-8424-2800. You can send them an email at info@maxisgroupinc.com. You can also visit their website at www.maxisgroupinc.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Yellow Cub Pizza Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.